It's been almost 4 weeks since Casey hit 10 million subs and announced the launch of his new t-shirt line. And I finally got my hands on one. I'm really excited today because I got a tracking notification from DHL telling me that there's a package in the mailbox. I don't have a boosted board, but I do have one of these. So the shirt comes in black and white, multiple sizes. All the vloggers and bloggers, leakers are saying that it's a really comfortable shirt. I got the shirt. Almost there. Now, I've never really done an unboxing before, but I'd say this packaging is pretty adequate. Ooh. Wow, this is comfortable. Thanks, Casey. Since I only got this t-shirt today, I'd like to wear it around for a couple of days. I'll do a full review in an upcoming episode. Stay tuned! And this wasn't a paid advertisement.